Chronic inflammation is a widespread problem. It's often silent and invisible. Over time, it can damage your body. This inflammation is linked to many diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. The good news? You can fight inflammation naturally. One effective way is through your diet. Certain foods and drinks can help. These include herbal drinks packed with anti-inflammatory power. Herbs and spices have been used for centuries, not just to add flavor to our meals, but also for their remarkable healing properties. They treat ailments, enhance flavor, and have been integral to traditional medicine practices across various cultures. Many possess potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can help in reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. Let's explore some stars in the world of medicinal herbs and spices. Turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that can help reduce pain and swelling. It's often used in both cooking and as a supplement for its health benefits. Ginger, known for its digestive benefits, ginger also fights inflammation. It can ease muscle soreness and joint pain, making it a popular remedy for athletes and those with arthritis. Green tea, rich in antioxidants called catechins, green tea protects against cell damage and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Drinking green tea regularly can support heart health and boost metabolism. These are just a few examples. Many other herbs and spices offer similar benefits like cinnamon, cloves, and rosemary. Incorporating a variety of these into your diet can contribute to better health and well-being. Let's start with golden milk. This drink is a delicious way to enjoy turmeric. Recipe: warm 1 cup of your preferred milk. Almond, coconut, or soy milk work well. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Include a pinch of black pepper. This helps your body absorb the curcumin. Sweeten with honey or maple syrup. Enjoy this warm drink before bedtime. It can promote relaxation and restful sleep. Beyond golden milk, countless possibilities exist. The world of herbal teas and drinks is vast and full of potential. Experiment with different herbs and spices to discover new flavors and health benefits. For instance, ginger lemon tea is a popular choice. Combine grated ginger with hot water and add a squeeze of lemon for a refreshing and invigorating drink. This combination can soothe digestion and reduce nausea. Or try chamomile tea, a classic favorite known for its calming effects, which can help you unwind after a long day. It can also help reduce inflammation and promote overall well-being. Enjoy a cup before bed to promote sleep and improve sleep quality. Another great option is hibiscus tea, with its vibrant color and tangy flavor. This tea is rich in antioxidants and may help lower blood pressure, boost liver health, and support heart health. Remember, these are just a few ideas to get you started. Get creative and find combinations you enjoy. The possibilities are endless and the benefits are plentiful. Making these drinks is easy and can be a fun activity to do at home. Integrate them into your daily routine to reap the benefits consistently. Start your day with a cup of ginger lemon tea, which is known for its refreshing and anti-inflammatory properties. Enjoy golden milk as a comforting evening ritual. This drink, made with turmeric, can help you relax and unwind. Remember, consistency is key. Choose drinks you enjoy and make them a regular part of your diet. This will make it easier to stick to the habit. Always consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. They can advise if these drinks are appropriate for your health needs and ensure they won't interfere with any medications. By making simple changes, you can harness the power of nature to improve your overall well-being. Sip your way to a healthier, more vibrant you, and enjoy the journey towards better health.